Hi, I'm Steve Banks, and I'm delighted to be running a second seminar for the Psychosynthesis Trust in a series of 3 with the title The Power of Music. And in this second seminar, in the first half, we're going to explore a bit the different elements that make up what I'm referring to as the emerging human spirituality. That is to say, a spirituality which is accessible to any human being potentially, regardless of whether they have an existing spiritual tradition or none. So a global, a human spirituality, which is rooted essentially in a rational worldview. So we'll look at different elements of that and talk a bit about how they're expressed in the Blue Pearl Oratorio, which is this choral work that I've composed that's going to have its world premiere on the 14th of May next year. And in the second half, we'll listen to 2 other movements of the Blue Pearl Oratorio, and these ones are going to take us more into a felt, here and now experience. And we're going to be looking at the shift, the experience of the shift of identity, the sense of I, as it shifts from the sense of the personal self, I am Steve, this body-mind, to the sense of just I am. So, which is, the fundamental spiritual journey, you might say. And obviously, in a seminar with recorded music online, we're going to only have probably a taste of that. But we're also going to explore a bit what it involves in a very rational sort of way. Just looking at it, what is this sense of I am, and how does it differ from the sense of the personal self? And as a part of that, also how we shift from a sense of existing in time, like time's arrow, to a sense of eternity. And what is eternity? So we'll explore all of that in the second half, both conceptually, but then also just as a felt experience with the music guiding us in a meditative sort of way, like a guided meditation. And there'll be breakout groups, a few breakout groups where we can discuss all these things and discuss our experience of the music, and also we'll discuss in the plenary and have questions and answers. So the last one in June was a great success, and it was really interesting and fascinating for me to hear people's thoughts about it all. So I hope you can join us on the 11th of November for The Power of Music, I Am.